Hi, kitty.
No. 49. 49 hours. The first one.
Hi, kitty. Come on, kitty. Oh, dang, kitty. So, guys, this is my cat. This is one of my vlogs. This is my first vlog. I'm doing it outside, though. Ow! Cat, no! This is my cat. He now has to stay outside because he peed on the bed. Can't be doing that. We don't have no bed for him. So, food, water bowl for him. Smokey. His name is Smokey. Whoa! He likes going around me and hugging me. Don't lick me. I got some. Okay, if you guys didn't see, I wrote on my hand. Some little part of that way. Try to make myself like a robot, but then I got really mad. So then I scribbled on myself. But it kind of looks cool though. If you like it, comment down below. Ooh, that car though, really cool. Okay, back to the cat. This whole entire vlog will probably be on my cat. Ooh, that catty cat. Or if you want, I could go check on my big sister from the window right there. Right now I'm hanging out with my little kitty cat. I call it kitty cat because look at his eyes. It's like a cat. Come on. My sister cat trying to climb on me again. Ah, mosquitoes. Just touch a cat, touch it. Hey, he touched it. Oh dang, no! My phone is dying. I'm going to have to end it here. Oh, see, I have no shoes on. So I'm gonna. Oh my gosh! Do you see this? Cat, no! Bad cat, bad cat. Touch it. Okay, touch it, cat, touch it. Bye bye.